Trisha Ilana Nayantara Tamil movie summary. While traveling by train, Jiva tells the ticket collector why he left his home and is traveling to Kumbakonam. Jiva was born together with two other girls, Aditi and Ramya, due to the shortage of private rooms in the hospital. Jiva is close to his uncle Vishu and asks for his advice every time he has problems with girls. The three of them grew up together. When they are in higher secondary school, Aditi leaves for Bangalore for a week. During this time, Ramya and Jiva fall in love. Jiva is afraid about proposing to Ramya, whereas Ramya proposes to Jiva, and he accepts. That night, Ramya visits Jiva, and they both romance while roaming around the city. The next day, Jiva reveals to his friend accidentally about his sex act with Ramya. It starts to spread around the school, and Ramya gets so angry with Jiva that she dumps him. She leaves Chennai to forget him. As she is leaving, Aditi calls Jiva and proposes to him on the phone, which Jiva accepts. Their relationship has been going well for almost 3 years. One day, Jiva finds out that Aditi was drinking and forces her to give up drinking, as he hates girls drinking. She promises to stop drinking, but once again, he sees Aditi drinking in a club. He becomes so angry that he scolds her in front of everyone, gets heartbroken, and behaves so wildly that he is forcibly taken away from there. Jiva tells this story to the ticket collector and finally reaches Kumbakonam, where Vishu was living. At the railway station, Vishu receives Jiva. Jiva asks Vishu for advice, for which he says that if one girl leaves, there is always another one. Jiva then sees Ramya there and falls for her again. He goes after her, but she chases him off because of what happened in school. There, Vishu tells him to get in contact with Ramya's aunt Simran. He then tries to make Ramya fall in love again with the help of Simran, doubting whether he can succeed. Jiva gets close to Simran, and with her help, he finally woos Ramya again. When they are about to be united, he asks Ramya 5 questions as he does not know what happened to her these 3 years when he was not with her. The final question turns out to be whether Ramya is a virgin or not, as Ramya had a breakup recently. Initially, Ramya gets angry at that question but finally confesses that she is not a virgin as she had sex with her ex-boyfriend, Harish. Upon hearing this, Jiva gets angry and immediately asks Ramya to call Harish. Harish arrives at the scene and tries to convince Jiva that they had sex only once, but Jiva becomes angrier, cursing them and leaves immediately. Ramya and Harish unite once again. Jiva, feeling disgusted, plans to leave Kumbakonam and go back to Chennai. He tells Vishu that he wants only a virgin girl, but his uncle scolds him by saying that nowadays, virgin girls are really hard to find, but Jiva sticks with his policy and leaves for the train, which has started moving. He tries to catch the train and sees one hand extended from a train compartment to help him board inside. That is Priya. Jiva thanks Priya and sits beside her in the train, trying to flirt with her by asking about her whereabouts, to which she replies Trichy, and he decides to follow, which implies to the audience that Jiva is now on a mission to woo Priya. The film ends with him saying Trisha Ilana Nayantara, if not Trisha, then Nayantara.